Hey everyone, this is Naurin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. And this is I Can Make You Think in English series part 2. I'm really happy you are here, and if you have completed part 1, you are already on your way to training your brain to think in English naturally. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to speak in English but you got stuck? You knew the words but the words didn't come out. You know why? That's because your brain is still thinking in your native language. It's first thinking in your native language and then translating into English. That translation step makes everything slower. In this series, we are removing that extra step, that translating step. We are teaching the brain to go straight to English. Just like native speakers do. Don't worry, you don't need the perfect grammar, you don't need big words. You just need practice, and that's what I'll give you today. So grab a quick space, a comfortable space, breathe in, relax, and let's start your English thinking workout. So today we are going to train your brain to think in English in real life situations, like when you are cooking, walking, shopping, or talking to someone. Let's jump right in. Situation 1. Waking up in the morning. Imagine you just opened your eyes in the morning. Now try to think in English. Say slowly, what time is it? Should I wake up now or sleep for 5 more minutes? What do I have to do today? Now you say it in your mind in English. Try it with me. Good job! That's how we start making English our thinking language. Situation 2. Going to the grocery store. Now imagine you are at the supermarket. Try to think this in English. Do we have milk at home? I need onion, ginger and tomatoes. Which one is fresher? Again, try repeating these types of thoughts in English in your mind. Every small thought counts. Situation 3. Cooking at home. You are making lunch or dinner. Say or think. Let me chop the vegetables. Where is the salt? I hope this doesn't burn. Think these thoughts now in English in your mind. Situation 4. Talking to yourself while walking. Imagine you're walking alone. You are thinking, should I call my friend today? I forgot to reply to that message. I really enjoyed yesterday's class. This is the most natural way to use English in your inner voice. Now let's practice 4 variety English questions. You need to answer these questions in your mind. Question number 1. What's the first thing you do after waking up in the morning? What's the first thing you do after waking up in the morning? You can say, for example, I brush my teeth, I check my phone, I make tea, etc. Now it's your turn. Think the answer in English. Second question. What's something you often forget to buy at the store? What's something you often forget to buy at the store? Question number 3. What's your favorite thing to cook or eat? What's your favorite thing to cook or eat? You could say, I love making pasta or I enjoy eating biryani. Answer this now. Fourth question, it's a creative question. If you could go anywhere right now, where would you go and why? If you could go anywhere right now, where would you go and why? I'll give you my answer. I'll go to the mountains because it's peaceful. Now it's your turn. Don't just repeat the answer I told. You should think of your own answer because this is a creative question and you are practicing English. So start thinking the answer for this question right now. Great job! You have just completed your second session of English brain training. Now, here's something very important. Don't stop here. The secret to thinking in English is not just understanding, it's repeating. So go back and repeat this video maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. You will feel more confident with every round. And when you go about your day, try this. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing in your mind. Ask yourself simple questions in English like what am I cooking? Where am I going? These little habits build fluency faster than you think. In part 3, I'll help you go one more step further. We will practice responding faster in conversations even under pressure. Also, let me know in the comments what's one everyday situation where you still translate in your head before speaking English. Be honest, I want to include your situation in the next video. So guys, this is all for today. This is all about thinking in English. I hope this video was useful for all of you. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.